Hi guys, my name is Khairunisa Putri Nabila. Today I will make video part 1 local transportation and giving direction. Person A is tourist, person B is local. Person A: excuse me, could you help me? How can I get to the city museum? Person B: sure, go to straight along this road for about 300 meters, then turn left at the traffic light. The museum is right next to the central library. Person A: thanks. Is there any local transportation I can take to get there? Person B: yes, you can take a city bus number 5 from the bus stop over there. It will stop just in front of the museum. Person A: great. What other transportation is available in this city? Person B: well, besides buses, we also have taxis, online ride service like Grab, bicycle rentals, and even an MRT line that goes around the city. Person E: that sounds convenient. Thank you very much for your help. Person B: you're welcome. Enjoy your visit. Part 2: out of town transportation. Person A: hi, I'm planning to go to Surabaya. What transportation option do I have? Person B: you have several choices. You can take a train, which is comfortable and scenic. It takes about 4 to 5 hours and costs around 115,000 rupiah. Person E: that sounds good. Are there any other option? Person B: yes, there are also intercity buses. Their capture around 100,000 rupiah, but take longer, about 6 to 7 hours depending on traffic. Person A: what about flight? Person B: sure, there are daily flights from here to Surabaya. It only takes 1 hour, but it's more expensive, around 500,000 to 700,000 rupiah depending on the airline and time. Person E: that's helpful. Which one do you recommend? Person B: if you're in a hurry, the plane is the best choice. But if you want to save money and enjoy the view, I guess taking the train. Person A: thank you, I'll think about it. Person B: no problem, have a safe trip. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, bye bye.